All right, so with a problem like this, right, rather than think about this like abstractly, just pick numbers for something like this. You oftentimes will see these like in harder problems, right? But if you assign numbers to these variables, it really turns into like an arithmetic problem, right? So make sure though you pick a set of numbers, go through don't keep the first thing that works, because you may have two things that actually work. If you have two answer choices that work with the numbers you picked, you may have to pick a different set of numbers that also fit your rules, right? So I'm going to make A is less than B. I'm going to make A 2. I'm going to make B 3, right? So this means absolute value, right? Absolute value of A minus B. In my numbers, I picked 2 minus 3, which is the absolute value of negative 1, right? Be careful with absolute value. Don't just immediately make this a plus, right? You do everything within the absolute value, and if it's negative, you make it positive. So the absolute value of negative 1 is 1, right? So now I want to plug A and B into my answer choices, and I want to keep anything that tells me that it's 1, right? Answer choice A would be 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 does not equal 1. Answer choice B would be negative 2 plus 3. That would be negative 5. Answer choice C would be 2 minus 3, which would be root negative 1, and that's not even going to be a real number, right? So D is going to, so we're left with D, which if we test right, D is negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 1, which equals positive 1, and that one checks out. So answer choice D.